Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo, more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about the digital persona 4500, but more importantly, we're talking about biometric login to your computer. Now, as a crypto enthusiast, why would you want biometric computer login? A big thing about this is, let's say that you have a spouse or somebody else that you would like to have access to your computer, just in case something happened to you or you became incapacitated. So having this backup is part of a good plan. Now, I was all excited to do this and try to set up this, and I ordered this and I got it in. I plugged it in, it didn't do anything. And then I was just scratching my head. I found all kinds of old videos. Some of them were in foreign languages, and there just seemed to be a lot of confusion regarding this. So first and foremost, let's say you got the fingerprint reader in, you've plugged it into your USB. First of all, the light does not come on by default. So the light, repeat, the light is not on all the time, only when you're in the login screen. Okay, so I thought mine was broken at first, but it wasn't. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, in your control panel, let's see here. If you right click on the start menu, this is Windows 10. Go to Device Manager. Mine was showing up under like unknown devices or USB devices, okay? And it wasn't showing up in my biometric area, okay? So number one, if it's not showing up in your biometric area, that means you don't have the driver, and a lot of these don't come shipped with the driver. So you have to go to the website and download the driver package, okay? So originally, the digital persona 4500 was crossmatch.com. Now it's HID. Now, the reason I'm showing the HIDglobal.com is, number one, the links on these videos change over time. So ultimately, if you can get to HID Global, you're going to be able to get to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to find support and services. So if I was over here on the main page, HIDglobal.com, I go to support and services, then I'm going to go to drivers and downloads, and I'm going to type in 4500. Okay, so that's the digital persona 4500 WBF driver. Now, I found a whole bunch of videos with links from Pakistan and all this craziness, and honestly, I don't like to download unknown links from Media, Fire, or Google Drives and stuff like that. Presents a security risk, so it's best just to get it from the source. So you're going to download this driver package. Blah, blah, blah. I accept. Desktop. Now, a lot of you may be like, why is this video drawing out so much? I'll tell you, this thing was a lot more frustrating because there was not good videos on the installation of it. And then I thought I had a broken one because it didn't light up. So I put that driver package into a folder. I right click, extract all. Okay. And then I just go ahead, find the setup file, and I do setup 64. Okay, or setup 32. Doesn't have a 32. All right, so you go ahead and install all that monkey business, and it's going to ask you to reboot. And when you reboot, under biometric devices, you should see your fingerprint reader. Okay, so we're assuming you at least have it. It's recognized, and it's showing up here now under biometric devices. Now, here's the rub. A lot of people go into security and accounts and all this stuff, but that's not what you want to do. You want to go to settings, okay? And then you're going to go to accounts, okay? And then you're going to go into sign-in options, okay? And then you're going to use Windows Hello Fingerprint, all right? And then you can do setup, Windows Hello, get started. All right. Then at this point, your fingerprint reader should come alive, and we're going to touch the sensor. Okay. And then this is the training process, just like you are doing with your iPhone. Nothing new. Okay. Now at this point, you could set up a PIN in case your fingerprint reader fails. Okay. And that's it. That's it. That's all there is to installing a fingerprint reader onto your computer. And like I said, this is part of creating a disaster plan for your crypto. So maybe a loved one or somebody else will be able to log into the computer, because once you train it, you can add other users to your fingerprint reader, and then they can get into the computer and obviously access things. So hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll leave a link down below if you want one of these fingerprint readers. And as always, like and subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.